On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to make money without investing anything. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. In this case, I'm using Teespring. Teespring is one of the best affiliate marketing networks that you can join and then find a lot of different offers to promote. They have a lot of different products and a different categories. So all that you need to do is that you have to search for Teespring. Once you search for it, you can be able to create a free account. Once you create a free account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. They have a lot of different products and a different categories. So all that you need to do is that you have to come right here. You can see product categories. Select the category that you want so that you can find offers to promote. For example, if you want digital products, click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the subcategories. They have animals and pets, betting systems, business and investment, computer and internet, dancing and music, dating, relationships and romance, and many others. They have a lot of them, and under each of the subcategories they have a lot of different products that you can promote. You can see education, they have about 108 products that you can promote. Email marketing, they have 16. Family and children, they have 52. Fashion, they have 16. You can see fashion, there's no available products, but food and drinks, they have about 45 available products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. So all that you need to do is that you have to scroll down and then select the category that you want so that you can find an offer to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. If you don't want the digital products, you can promote physical products. So all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, shipping products. Once you click on it, you can see skincare, food supplements. Select any of them that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. There are many of them. If you don't want to select a specific category, what you need to do is that you have to filter the products based on the factors that you want. For example, when I click right here, they have a lot of different factors that you can use to filter the products. You can see popularity, earning per sale, earning per card vista, publication date, card conversion rate. They have cancellation rate. So all that you need to do is that you have to select any of these factors so that you can filter the products. What I usually like is the cart conversion and the cancellation rate. The cart conversion rate is the number of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to make a purchase. The cancellation rate is the percentage of people who purchase the product and later on seek for a refund. So if the cancellation rate is high, it means the product is not good. If the conversion rate is high, it means when you promote it, there is a high likelihood that you get sales. So what you need to do is that you have to select products that have lower cancellation rate but high cart conversion rate. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to select the cart conversion rate. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this product has the highest cart conversion rate. You can see it is 47%. That means if you promote it to people, those who click on the link, about 47% of those people are going to make a purchase for you to earn money. So let's say you get up to 200 clicks, 600 clicks, about 47% of those clicks are going to convert to sales so that you can be making a commission of $138.11. But this product, the setback is that you have to send a request to the seller so that they can approve you before you begin to promote the product. The seller has to approve you before you can begin to promote the product. But most of the other products, you don't need an approval. All that you need to do is that you have to just click on promote now so that you can get your affiliate link. You can see this product, it also have a higher cart conversion rate. You can see 33%. When you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of them. There are many of them. You can see this supplement right here has one of the highest cart conversion rate. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see, if you want, you can click on page 2 so that you can get many other products that you can promote. Once you click on page 2, you can see the different products that you can promote. Let me scroll from top to down so that you can see everything. You can see the products, you can see everything, you can see everything. So just select the one that you want so that you can promote it. You can see a whole lot of them. So just select the one that you want. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this product right here. It is a new product and you can see it is currently trending. It has a cut conversion rate of 30%. So if you promote it to people, once you get clicks, about 30% of those clicks are going to convert to sales. You can see the commission rate is good. You are going to be earning $129.15. So now once you have selected the product, what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can be able to get more information about the product. Once you click on it, you can see this is the price of the product. If you want to get more information about the product, you have to click on the sales page. If you want resources to promote the product, you have to click on affiliate support page. In this case, I just want to look at the sales page of the product, so click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see it is approved by FDA. You can see it right here, Food and Drugs Authority. Once you scroll down, there are many other information about the product. You can see it is a supplement that helps people to maintain healthy ears. So if you promote it, those who have ear problems can purchase the product for you to gain money. You can see these are the ingredients. You can see everything. So what you need to do is that you have to start promoting the product since you have seen the basic information about it. You can see the bonuses. When you scroll down, you can see the testimonials. You can see the different packages of the product. You can see the money back guarantee and everything. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then get access to this page. Once they get access to this page, they can read more about the product. Once they read more and they like the product, what they need to do is that they have to click right here, order now. Once they click on it, they can make a purchase and you are going to be earning a commission on this total 4. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to get people who live in the United States to click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase so that you can earn a commission of $129.15 per every sale that you get. The website that we are going to be using today to drive traffic to our affiliate link is freeclassifies.us. This is a website that allows you to post ads to people who live in the United States. You can see free classifies in United States. You can see you don't need to live in the United States to post ads onto this platform. All that you need to do is that you have to search for the website. Once you search for it, you can be able to post your ads onto this platform for free. You can see right here they have health. So the product that we are promoting is under health. Therefore, we can get a category to post our ad for free. To post your ad onto the platform, what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to give a title to your ad and then a description. So what I usually do is that I use ChatGPT. So just type the name of the product and then ask ChatGPT to write a description for you. So let's highlight and copy the name of the product. You can see it right here. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy the title of the product, what you have to do is that you have to come back on ChatGPT and then type a prompt here so that it can write a description and a title for you. So let's type something like write a description for, then you paste the name of the product. So write an ad description. Let's type something like write an ad description, something like this. Once that is done, click on send so that it can write a very useful description and a title for you. You can see everything. It is writing it. Just wait for it to write everything for you. As you can see, it has written the description and the title. Now what we have to do is that we have to copy and paste them in our ad. So highlight and copy the title. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back on your ad and then paste it right here. Once that is done, you have to paste the description of the offer right here. So come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back, highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you have to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to upload images of the product. So open a new tab and then search for the name of the product on Google. Search for it. Once you search for it, you can be able to find images of the product. Once you search for it, click on images so that you can find images of the offer. As you can see, these are all images of the offer that you can use on your ad. Download as many as you want. To download an image, right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save images. Once that is done, click on save. Once you save it, select another image, select save images. Once that is done, click on save. As you can see, that has been done. Your images have been saved. Once you download the images, you are going to come back on your ad. Click right here, choose file so that you can upload the images. Once that is done, click on download and then select open. As you can see, that has been done. Once you upload it, the next step is that you have to paste your affiliate link right here. So come back on day 224 and then click on promote now. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Now what you have to do is that you have to come back on your ad. Once you come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see category. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to select the category of your ad. So we are looking for health. Just scroll down to the health category. So let's search for health. You can see health and beauty, fitness, and the rest. Just search for the appropriate category that you want to post your ad. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are going to select health and beauty, other health as. Select that because there is no year right here. There's no year, so just select this. Once that is done, you can see target city. If you leave it blank, it means you are targeting all cities. So we want to target all cities in the United States. Once that is done, you can see add owner name. Type your name right here. Once you type your name, you can see contact phone. You can see contact email. You can enter your email address here. Once that is done, you can see add password. Enter a password right here. Once that is done, you have to enter this code so that they will know that you are a human being, not a robot. So enter the code right here. So it is 649418, something like this. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see submit. Click on it so that you can publish your ad. So click on submit. Once you click on it, you can see congratulations, you have posted the advertisement successfully. So your ad has been posted onto the platform. Apart from that website, you can search for ukadlist.com. Once you search for it, you can also post your ad onto this website for free to people who live in the United Kingdom. You can see it right here. Just search for ukadlist.com. Once you search for it, post your ads onto this platform. Keep on posting to different platforms so that you can get a lot of traffic to your affiliate link. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.